Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today I am making Reese's ice cream cake. So I'm starting in a food processor making my base of the ice cream cake, and I have these Chips Ahoy Reese's cookies here. And I'm going to be adding some of those to my food processor. Start with that. All right, so we've ground up our cookies and we are going to add some melted butter. And turn it back on. All right, so we're going to turn it back on and add a little bit more melted butter to get the right consistency. All right, so this looks good right here. We're looking for a wet sand consistency, so this is perfect. We're going to need a nice big container to make our ice cream cake. So this is what I have here, and we're going to go ahead and add our cookie base. And we're going to press that down into a nice layer. All right, so this looks good, and we are now ready for ice cream. So I have chocolate ice cream here, which I have had sitting out on the counter getting nice and soft to make it easy to work with. And now we are going to add it to our base. All right, so we've got our ice cream layer on and we are looking good. Next, I have here some Reese's shell topping. So I'm going to give that a nice shake and then drizzle that over the top. All right, that looks good. All right, so next I have here some Reese's peanut butter cups that I've broken up. I used about 25 of them, and we're gonna do half of that right now on the top of our ice cream. All right, so next we are gonna be adding some whipped cream on the top. I am using Cool Whip Extra Creamy. All right, whipped cream is on, and we're gonna do the rest of our peanut butter cups. All right, and then lastly, we are gonna do another drizzle of our shell. All right, we are ready to put our lid on and pop it in the freezer for, I would say, at least 2 hours, but overnight if possible. And then we will see you back here. All right, so it has been about 3 hours, and I've taken it out and cut out a piece. As you can see, it's a little messy to cut, but it looks really yummy, so I can't wait to give this a try, and I hope you do too. And we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.